What is artificial intelligence? AI. Complete Beginner Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. You've probably heard about ChatGPT, self-driving cars, virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, or AI image generators. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? And will it replace human jobs in the future? In this video, I'll explain AI in simple and easy to understand language with real-world examples. So, let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, solving problems, understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions. In simple words, AI is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions similarly to humans. For example, if we show thousands of images of cats and dogs to an AI system, it can learn the differences between them. Later, when it sees a new image, it can identify whether it's a cat or a dog. That's the power of AI. How does AI work? AI mainly works by learning from data. Let's break the process into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Data collection. First, AI needs data. Data can be images, videos, text, audio recordings, numbers, and statistics. The more quality data AI receives, the better it can learn. Step 2. Training the model. Next, the AI model analyzes the data and searches for patterns. For example, if we provide thousands of emails labeled as spam and not spam, the AI learns the characteristics of spam emails. It begins to understand patterns such as suspicious links, promotional phrases, repeated keywords. Step 3. Prediction. Once trained, the AI can make predictions on new data. For example, is this email spam? What object is in this image? Will a customer buy this product? What should be recommended next? This learning process is known as machine learning, which is one of the most popular areas of AI. Real-world examples of AI. AI is already part of our daily lives. Let's look at some common examples. ChatGPT. ChatGPT can answer questions, generate content, write code, and assist with learning. YouTube recommendations. YouTube analyzes your watch history and suggests videos that match your interests. Google Maps. Google Maps uses AI to analyze traffic conditions and recommend the fastest route. Netflix and Spotify. These platforms recommend movies, shows, and music based on your preferences. Face recognition. Face Unlock on smartphones uses AI to recognize your face and securely unlock your device. These are all examples of AI working behind the scenes. AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. Many beginners get confused between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Let's simplify it. Artificial intelligence, AI. The broad concept of making machines intelligent. Machine learning, ML. A subset of AI where machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Deep learning, DL. A more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. Think of it like this. Artificial intelligence, down arrow. Machine learning, down arrow. Deep learning. Deep learning powers technologies such as image recognition, speech recognition, and modern AI chatbots. Benefits of AI. AI offers many advantages. Faster decision-making. Automation of repetitive tasks. Increased productivity. Better customer service. Reduced human error. 24/7 availability. Because of these benefits, AI is transforming industries such as healthcare, education, finance, transportation, and software development. Challenges and risks of AI. Despite its advantages, AI also comes with challenges. Some major concerns include privacy issues, data security risks, job displacement fears, bias in AI systems, high development and maintenance costs. This is why responsible and ethical AI development is extremely important. The future of AI. The future of AI looks incredibly promising. In the coming years, AI will continue to improve. Healthcare diagnostics, self-driving vehicles, smart robots, personalized education, business automation. Rather than replacing humans entirely, AI is expected to work alongside people and help them become more productive and efficient. The key is to learn how to use AI effectively. So, in this video we learned what artificial intelligence is, how AI works, the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, real-world applications of AI, benefits and challenges of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more technology and programming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vid.